What's up, Quadcopter fans? I'm Join.com. Today I'm going to be flying my SYMA X5C 2 gigahertz with the onboard camera on, ready to roll. So we're going to take it for a little spin. It's in the low and slow mode. So just want to demonstrate a few things. It is recording, and on the controller you can see that it's flying nice and steady. You can actually do flips with this. The right toggle, hitting the button, will make it actually do flips, and you can record while it does the flips too, which is pretty cool. Most quadcopters don't allow you to be able to do that, so hit it back. You might not want to flip it right away until you break the motors in, but the motors have been broken in on this quadcopter, so. Now I did lose a little bit of range with it the other day. But other than that, it flies very, very smooth, easy to fly. It does have 2 speed modes, onboard camera, which we are recording on now, so we'll do another roll. That sun's making it pretty difficult to see exactly what's going on. Very, very steady. Flight time's about, with the camera on there, 6 to 7 minutes. It does have a full charge on it. We'll do a backwards flip. Camera's about 2 megapixels. You get about a 720 pixel range. It looks okay whenever you edit it and you turn it into a smaller box. It gets a little bit higher definition, but anything larger, then it's gonna get pretty pixelated. So I'm having a real problem seeing with the sun coming in my eyes, but very, very smooth, stable flyer. Again, probably one of the best at this price point in this size. Now you can get a tarantula for almost the same price as you can get the SYMA, so that's something to consider. But today we'll just demonstrate all the flips and different speed modes. So in order to change the speed mode, you just hit the left bumper right here, and that will give you more speed, a more aggressive pitch. Now I don't want this to get out of the range, because to the left of us there is a creek over here. We'll do a front flip. So most quadcopters that are manual, they don't necessarily hover that well, whereas this one, as you can see, I mean, it's hovering great. A little bit of a drift. There is a headwind that we're flying into. Nothing it can't handle. The pitch on it, like I said, we're in the aggressive pitch mode, so handles very, very well. So try a couple more flips here. We'll fly it nice and close. Again, the water is up, and there's a lot of saturation on the ground, so fly it around this picnic table here. Now you notice when I'm flying, I typically keep the camera pointed away so I don't ruin the shot with me in it, but this isn't normally how you would turn around. It does have a decent yaw rate on it, so and we can take it up. Now we're in the low and slow mode. We'll take it up a little bit higher. Definitely do not want to lose it on the top of this building here, so we'll start bringing it down. It's not windy at all today, which is nice, so but excellent flyer. We'll see if we can land it here on the picnic table, just to demonstrate how easy it is to fly this quadcopter. There's very little wind today, so not the best landing in the world, but we're down and we'll take off. Again, you can throw this thing from your hand if you choose to. And the flipping wheel recording's really a neat feature, because like I said, a lot of the minis that I have in this class, they won't allow you to flip. Most of your camera birds, the bigger ones, you know, they don't let you flip just because of the GPS and stabilization that they use. There's a smoother landing on the picnic table, so you know, as you can see, it's very easy to fly. Looks like all our lights are good. I'm just checking to see if our camera's still recording, which it is. And there's the creek right there. It's actually flooded up to where all this mulch is right here. So this ground and area is, like I mentioned, very wet, so I don't want to land it on there. But we'll come in and we'll do a hand landing here. So this is the SYMA X5C with the onboard camera. Turn the camera off. Make sure that we get a full recording. So red light means it's off. And very good buy, very easy to fly, great for a beginner to learn with. 2 speeds, it does have 360 versions, and decent range and excellent battery life.